You're watching Vocabulary for Fluency. Welcome to my channel. I am Ogaide Faith Iripia. Exams tomorrow and number bases still confuse you? Don't panic. I'm solving two problems: base 10, 8, 2, and 16 conversions, step by step. Stick around. The second one is the trap most students fall for. Let's lock it in. Converting 126, that is in base 10, to hexadecimal and binary. Gives dash. Show working. So, what do we do here? Solution. First step. You have to convert 126 base 10 to binary, because this is the only way we can convert that binary to hexadecimal. So let's begin. Into 2 we have 63 remainder 0. In 63 into 2 we have 31 remainder 1, pardon me. We have 31 into 2, 15, remainder 1. 15 into 2, we have 7, remainder 1. 7 into 2, we have 3, remainder 1. 3 into 2, we have 1, remainder 1. So instead of just doing that and getting 0, remainder 1, just put your arrow like this. Therefore, 126 base 10 equals 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, base 2. So let's count out to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 0, 7. So that's base 2. Okay, so now we have our binary. Let's find hexadecimal. Second step. Second step, convert from binary to hexadecimal using the hexadecimal table. Taking a snapshot, remember this was a table. So let's look at it closely. We're supposed to find these digits in that long binary number. But How is that even possible? Let's find out. First, we have to dissect this binary number in 4 places. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 4, that's 1 whole 4, and then we will have remainder 3. So this is what we do if it happens this way. Watch. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 base 2. So we count from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. You slash it in. 1, 2, 3. So because we don't have the 4th one, we put 0 here. So our job is to find this in the table and find this in the table. So let's go and check what this implies in the table. 0, 1, 0. Okay. Where can we find it? Here it is. 0, 1, 1, 1. This is E. And then the other 1, 1, 0. That's 3 ones in front before the 0. I think we'll find it here. 1, 1, 1, 0. So we have 7E. 7E, which is basically implied to be 7E base 16. Yeah. So therefore 1, 2, 6 base 10 equals 7E in hexadecimal form and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 base 2. Let's clap for ourselves. Question 2. Converting F A D base 16 to octal and decimal. Gives dash show workings. So how do we do this? Solution. First step. Convert F A D in base 16 to binary using its table, using the hexadecimal table precisely. So, should we take a look again? This is it, okay? So where is F? 1, 1, 1, okay? This is F, 1, 1, 1, and A, 1, 0, 1, 0. It appeared twice, and D, 1, 1, 0, 1. Where F equals to 1, 1, 1, 1, A equals to 1, 0, 1, 0, the second A as well, 1, 0, 1, 0, and D equals to 1, 1, 0, 1. I think we should confirm this. Alright, we are right on track. Alright, so let's begin. Our FAAD, as of what we have discovered, 111 10 1111 1010 1010 1101 in base 2. So the second step is to use this binary answer to octal form using the octal table. So let's check the octal table for a brief explanation and we'll come back to the solvings. So if there's one thing you should know about this octal table is that it's counted in three steps. So if we're to dissect that binary number, we won't use 4 as we did before. Okay, we would use 3 because it's dissected in 3s. So we have to dissect that binary number in 3s. Get it? 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, so let's dissect in 3s. 1 2 3 slash 1 2 3 slash 1 2 3 1 2 3 slash 1 2 3 slash 1 2 3 slash. So we see we have 1 2 3 4 5 slashes and with a remainder 1 without having any other digits. So because it's not complete, we have to add 2 more zeros to make this complete. So we find this first, find this first, find this, okay? And the 6th one, we'll find all the 6 batches on the octal table. Just so you know, 101 is 5. So here we have F A D in base 16 equals 7 1 7 5 2 5 5 in base 8. Okay, perfect. Now step 3. Okay, or third step, or we can simply write step 3. We have to convert the binary answer to decimal. Okay. Now this is a long process, but we're gonna get through it. 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1, all in base 2. So we're going to write the raised power 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. This implies 1 times 2 raised to the power 15 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 14 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 13 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 12 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 11 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 10 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 9 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 8 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 7 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 6 plus 5 times plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 5 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. So I advise you use your calculator during the exam and even now as we